This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jeffrey Woodard. The Makenzie 2,551 square feet custom-built home is one of a kind and fits the beach-style environment. The open floor plan will make you feel like you are riding a smooth wave, with soft seafoam-colored walls and high-end LVP floors. There's a primary suite on the first level, a very rare find in new construction homes. The kitchen is ready for a home chef, with beautiful quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances and under-counter lights, matching the can lighting in the ceiling. The two-car rear loading garage gives you privacy. The second level features another full bath and 3 huge bedrooms, one of them a suite with its own walk-in closet. You will also find a huge bonus room that can be used as a TV room, study, or game room. The exterior colors were chosen to give you the feeling I'm home at the beach, and I'm on staycation 24/7. The backyard is just the right size. Come home and sit on your deck.